Welcome to the Orchard Guard Tower at Homestead Albania. Step through the gate, venture up the drive through the vineyard to the stone path. Enter the garden and follow the path up to the OGT. Once inside, you'll find hooks for your jacket, ottomans to rest your luggage, slippers inside the cabinet at the door. Enjoy the USB and USB-C plugs throughout the OGT for your convenience and free Wi-Fi. Check out the view over the orchard to the Muckset Hills. And once outside on the balcony over the garden, you can enjoy the view of Mount Krya on a clear day, and pastures of sheep. The birds from this spot will keep you endlessly entertained. Time to work, no problem. Each ottoman has a reversible top and added storage. The flat-screen smart TV has an antenna for local channels and Wi-Fi to watch your favorite apps. Speaking of storage, check out this ample space under the bed. Room for several roller bags and extra linens for those staying with us a bit longer. Need to work a bit more? No problem. Check out this table. Feeling a bit thirsty or hungry? Check out the espresso maker and assortment of herbal teas. Mix and match to find your favorite blend. A microwave oven and 2-burner induction cooktop. Inside the kitchen cabinets, you'll find flashlight, fire extinguisher, trash can, extra paper towels, an air fryer, toaster, pot, pan, mixing bowls, strainer, cutting board, and a popcorn maker. Ready to relax? While it pops, pull out the sofa, and if you need more storage, check this out. Drop the screen via the remote next to the TV and turn on the projector. Connect via the HDMI cord or wirelessly using screen mirroring casting. Ready to work a little bit more? Check out this added feature. A table big enough for work, play, puzzle time, and a massive dinner. Need more entertainment? Check out the dice, cards, board games, books, and binoculars for bird watching. Scratch off your home state or country to mark your stay. Do you want to sit or work outside? No problem. Enjoy the pop-up desk. The big doors and windows have a mirror tint, allowing privacy for our guests. When you are outside, you can't see inside. Full bathroom tour, walk-in shower, a vanity and mirror with washcloths and hand towels. You'll also find a washer-dryer combo, hair dryer, and 4 bath towels in the corner. Thank you for staying at the Orchard Guard Tower. See you again soon.